out of the way.
We'll have a look at this, folks. This is just one of several tornadoes spotted today south of the Dallas-Fort Worth area. This was east of the city of West, out in McLennan County. Wow.
Yeah, really incredible images out there. The First Alert Weather Team called a weather alert today because of the elements in the atmosphere right now. They're just dangerous storms. This tornado, caught by First Alert storm chaser Mike Prendergrass.
And Mike was also in Frost when another tornado touched down. That one happened at about 2:40 this afternoon. Just before 3, no reports yet of any serious injuries, but there is some damage to report. Most of North Texas right now remains under a tornado watch at this hour. And as we say hello to you here at 4 o'clock on this Friday.
That's right. The First Alert Weather Team, they've been on the air. You've seen them most of the afternoon here trying to keep you informed and safe. So we've got weather coverage, teamed weather coverage for you here, starting with First Alert meteorologist Diminis Brown and Jeff Ray. They're tracking those storms at this hour. I want to start with you, Diminis. What are we seeing right now? Because we're starting to get some of those images in about what's exactly happening.
Yeah, we've had some tornado damage across portions of the area so far this afternoon, and we have a tornado watch that continues for parts of our area until about 6 o'clock this evening, so another couple of hours. We've seen some strong thunderstorms here in North Texas, and as we look at First Alert radar, some of those strong thunderstorms still impacting our area with severe thunderstorm warnings. That continues for Ellis and Navarro counties until about 4:30 this afternoon. We could have winds in excess of 65 miles an hour, hail likely smaller than a quarter. Also, we're seeing the severe thunderstorm warning for Hunt, Kaufman, Rains, Van Zandt counties, and that's until about 4:30 as well. These storms are rain makers, wind makers out there, producing some hail too. You'll see along the I-35E corridor toward Italy here. That's in Ellis County. Rain continues pushing toward areas like Ennis and Alma. We were tracking tornado warnings near this area a bit earlier this afternoon, and that rain continues toward Kaufman County. I know we're trying to head home from work and school. Let's take it very slowly out there because there could be some localized ponding on some of the roads, and you'll notice still some more showers toward Emory and Sulphur Springs, even toward Mount Pleasant. Now, we've been tracking a good drink of water. Check things out here from Central Texas all the way toward our viewing area. Radar estimating some spots saying maybe 4 to 5 inches of rain. That's a lot of rain in a very short period of time. And from today through at least Sunday afternoon, we have a flood watch in effect. So that really means you need to take it slowly. Here's a look at First Alert Futurecast for the next few hours. We're going to be tracking those showers and thunderstorms mainly to the south and east of the Metroplex, clipping parts of Dallas County. But that continued threat for showers. And again, that tornado watch continues about 6 o'clock. Things will start to quiet down as we head into the overnight, but we're going to have more showers, especially as we move into the day tomorrow and especially tomorrow night. Here's the forecast. Any plans out there for the next couple of hours in the Metroplex? Not much rain out there, but we'll start seeing maybe a couple showers early in the day and then more storms later on tomorrow night. That's why we're going to keep that weather alert posted through Sunday for strong and severe storms, large hail, damaging winds, even isolated tornadoes. We're going to talk more about that threat for storms this weekend with your First Alert forecast coming up.
All right, Diminis, we're staying on top of this. We actually just saw some storm damage. This is west of Waco in the community of China Springs. So strong winds, as you can see, blew off part of the roof there, and it sent the siding from the area of the home as well off.
Yeah, I mean, obviously that speaks to the force of the winds there. There was also fences in that same neighborhood that had also come down as a result. One woman says she left her home to see what the storm left behind. Have a listen.
I came outside and I saw my tree knocked down, the neighbor's roof gone, but I was just thankful to God that everybody was okay.
Yeah, we're thankful for that as well. We have seen this oftentimes, people in that community going to work fast. We did see crews already making repairs to their neighbors' roofs and working to clean up a lot of that debris that was left behind as a result of the storm. I want to give you a look at this. That's an 18-wheeler you see overturned on the highway. This happened in Abbott, right between Hillsboro and Waco.
And then we also got rain and hail in Arlington, but nothing too severe. We're thankful that's small this time around, right? This is South Arlington around noon today. A similar scene in Kennedale and the Mansfield areas as well. And of course, as we said, we've got team coverage for you tonight, tracking these storms. So if you want to keep track of them, you can stream our forecast on CBSNewsTexas.com and on Pluto TV.